Hello students, now we are going to see the ninth exercise in lesson 5. Ne plus. What is the translation for no plus? Not anymore. Transformez les phrases comme dans exemple. Change the sentences as given in the example. See the sentence example. Est-ce qu'il y a du lait? Is it that there is any milk? So, as the question and you need to give the answer should be in negative answer and you should not use the usual negative expressions before the verb. So, special negative expressions you need to use here, that is put na and then plus. Here expression is ilia. I hope you know when the negative expressions is ne and plus. Il n'y a plus. There is no more milk. No, il n'y a plus de lait. So it is here they are using the articles du, du. That is a quantity. When the sentence is changed into negative, this du is changed into the. Okay. That also you remember. That du is changed into de. Okay. So it is affirmative to negative, we are changing the sentence. The same method we have to do the remaining sentence in our exercise. First one, and na and plus you have to use before verb and after verb. Afterwards, that dwi is changed for the. So this we are doing here. So remember this and you have to use the same model. Tu rencontres des amis? Do you meet your friend? So negative answer is no, I did not meet my. So no, je ne rencontre plus mes amis. So here the conjugation of verb is in present tense according to the tui. It is es. When the subject is changes from je when your answer, the present tense ending is also changes. That s is not come. Negative expressions ne before the verb and plus after the verb. No, je ne rencontre plus mes amis. No, I don't meet my friends anymore. Second one, votre dvipa. So see here you are having dvi. So be attention that in negative it become the. So do you want any pain? No, je ne veux plus de plant. So, no, I don't want any more plant. So, remember that Padav articles du is changed to de. Third question. Tu achètes des fleurs chez ce fleuriste? Do you buy these flowers from the florist place? So, the is given. Padav articles des, some flowers. So, negative it become the. No, ne n'achète plus. D is just changed to DE. No, I didn't buy any flowers at the shops. So, tui, achete is in present tense, ending is es. When now subject is changes it to je, the present achet is ending, you must see here. Okay. Remember, des is changed as de in negative. Fourth one. Est-il des rominal mineral? That is there any mineral water? That D is there, you remember. No, il n'y a plus there. D-E-L apostrophe will become D apostrophe. D apostrophe. So, O, water, it start with vowel. So, D-E-L become D apostrophe. So, that is D, the, L. It's totally changing for the. Okay. Negative sentence. This fourth one is very, very important. D-E-L apostrophe is changing. Fifth one. Elle chasse des robes à soir. She is looking for some silk dresses. Again, DES is there in negative. You have to write. No, elle ne cherche plus de robe de soie. DE robe en soie. So this is very easy compared to the all the exercise. So just you are writing all the sentence in negative form. Thank you.